Here's she having catnip for the first time. She's been with me for years now. This is the first time she's had it. I didn't put very much on the fluid for her. But I figured I might take a videotape of it. Show my age there. Make a video of it. A short one. So, yeah. I wonder if she's done with it now. Maybe I'm bothering her. Hey, I don't want you to show the videos to people. Yeah. There she is. Well, something new for her. She can enjoy it. Well, she's done. Alright. Have a good day, people. Bye.